Namaste guys, welcome to Yoga with Sandeep. Today we practice beginner yoga series, the best back bending asana for beginner. So let's start now. First come to the cat pose. Okay, your knees open and your hands, the knees is under a line. Okay, the first inhale, drop the back down, head up. Exhale, up your back and head down. Inhale, exhale. Next, lay down on your mat, okay, and your feet little open and your hands under your shoulder. Inhale, lift your chest and your stomach. Keep open your shoulder and look up. Exhale, down. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Next, okay, your chin on the floor and your both hands under your body, okay, your feet together. Inhale, the legs up and chin up, look up. Exhale, down. One more time, inhale, exhale. Next, number 4, boat pose. Bend your both knee, catch your ankle. Inhale as you can, up your knee and your chest. Keep the stomach down the floor. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Next, number 5. Stand on the knees. Hands on the back. Okay. Inhale, push your hips forward, bring your hands to ankle and catch your ankle. Use the back as you can. Open the shoulder and your chest, look up. Inhale, exhale. Remember to go child pose for relax your back. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Okay, next the lay down on your mat. Your feet together. Your both hands under the knee. Okay, here. And then lift your chest. Inhale. Catch your back. And try to head down the look up. Exhale, down. The next, bend your both knees and your hands catch your ankle. Okay. Inhale, lift your hips as you can. Exhale, down. One more time, inhale, exhale. Okay, after this you have to relax your back This Pawan Muktasana, hold here and relax. Turn the left side and wake up. Backbend yoga series for beginner. Thank you so much. See you on the next day.